want to start a business, but you maybe just need some help coming up with a business idea? Do you need some inspiration? Do you have 4 minutes? We got you. So before we talk about having a great business idea, we need to discuss what is a great business. A great business is something that provides a solution or helps someone meet an objective to the point they want to pay you for it. So for example, Netflix. They provide entertainment to people that are bored and don't want to leave the house. Facebook. They allow people to connect with other people from all over the world. They also allow businesses to reach out to prospective customers and run ads. Amazon. They provide a lot of stuff in here, but a lot of products to people all around the world that they might not have access to otherwise. So when you're thinking about trying to have a great business, ask yourself questions about what are great solutions that I can provide to people, that I know how to provide for people. Think more in the lane of, well, what are the problems that I see that maybe a lot of people around me are having that I know how to solve? What are problems that I've had that I've solved I can solve to other people because I now have the information to fix that problem? Or think about solutions that you see that you think in your mind, well, okay, I can maybe do this a little better. And by better, I mean something very specific. I mean better, faster, or cheaper as the mind understands it. For example, take an Uber. Uber isn't necessarily faster than taxi cabs, but the fact that you can track when their Uber driver is coming to pick you up makes the perception of wait seem less. An example of this is when I was an instructor in the Air Force, I ran PT. I would have guys doing push-ups. Sometimes I would have them stop at a 90-degree hold. What I noticed though was if I said, hey, hold for 30 seconds and you're done, the guys would breeze through it like it was nothing. If I told the guys to hold it at 90 until I said stop, by the time we got to 20 seconds, they were screaming and hollering, motivating each other and doing all that stuff. In our full business bundle, we really get in depth about how to find your target customer, what are their values, and also how to really find where those mental places are that you can add that extra bit of value to really have your business be crazy successful. After you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Talk to us in the comments. Like, what are some things that you see around that maybe you think you can improve upon, that you can make better, that can make you some money? And if you're still having some trouble finding a great business idea, we have a PDF that's also linked in the description that has about 50 free business ideas that you can just look into, see like, okay, this is about what comes with this business, this is how much it costs to run it, this may or may not be something that's for me. Right? That's the end of this video, and we'll see you soon.